video on Ford trucks, 9th generation. This is called the belt line trim. If it's eaten up, I have an idea for you. Let me walk around and show you the one that's eaten up. You see how it's gone? So instead of buying the belt line trim, would cost a lot of money, it's like $70 or $80. What I suggest is you get a regular door in, you know, what you put on the end of the door to stop the door from making marks on other vehicles when you're in a parking lot. So here you go, just take off what's excess that's on there and just put it down in there. And there you have it. And there's the end result. It was looking really bad, dry rotted. So, cheap, inexpensive, innovative way to make it look good. Okay, guys, good luck.